So the purpose of this video is to help you learn to partition rectangles using either a ruler or a straight edge. And when I say straight edge, I mean any item that has a hard straight edge, like these sticky notes. That could also be the side of a book that you might have in your house. Anything that has a straight edge on it that you can use to draw. So remember, partition means to make it into equal parts. So we're going to take these two shapes and we're going to make them into fourths. So I'm going to start by using the ruler, and I'm going to measure to see if I can make them into equal parts. So on my ruler, notice my 0 starts a little bit further in on my inches. So I'm going to line that up. And this is just a little over 2.5 inches. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to estimate, and I'm going to bring my ruler in so there's just a little space before my 0 and just a little space after my 2.5 to make it as even as I can. And I know that 1 1/4 is half of 2.5. So I'm going to make my light mark there, so then I can use my straight edge to divide this into 2 equal pieces. And you want to use a straight edge so you have nice straight lines. So if I were finished, I would label this side as 1 of 2 pieces, or 1/2, and this side is 1/2. But I know I want to partition it into fourths, so I am going to go ahead and divide these into each half into 2 equal pieces. Now, if I did not have a ruler and I wanted to use a straight edge, I am going to look on my square or my rectangle, and I'm going to eyeball it to see where I think about the halfway mark is, and I'm just going to make a little dot. Then I'm going to pull it up and I'm going to look and I'm going to say, okay, that looks close. So now I'm going to take my straight edge and I'm going to mark it. Those look equal, so I am going to leave those. Then I'm going to come over here, and the reason you want to use a straight edge is because if I were to just come over here and try to draw this, even though I did my best to draw a straight line, does that look nice and neat and even? It does not, and these are not equal parts. So that is why you always, always, always want to use either a ruler or a straight edge. So I'm going to go ahead and come back over here and draw my line. I think maybe just a little more to the left. Notice if you don't have equal parts, you can erase. And I think those look pretty good. So I'm going to label each piece of this whole. Remember, this rectangle is the whole, and I have 4 pieces, so that is the bottom number or the denominator, and then the numerator or top number is how much each piece represents. So each of these is 1/4 of the whole. So now you've seen how to use a straight edge or a ruler to partition a shape. Good luck on your assignment, friends.